Welcome back. We will talk about other tags elements that you can use inside a for loop. So we have the break, we have the continue, cycle, and the else. So let's start with the break. The break tag instantly exits a loop, stopping any further iteration when a condition is met. We have the example here. Is the same syntax, so you're writing a for loop, and if you want to exit after some condition is met, then you can use the break tag here. So let's go back to learning that liquid. I'm gonna use this example right here. I'm just gonna copy that and paste it here. So we're saying here is the same example like earlier. So we're saying for loop inside the collection.product. So we say if product.tags contains the word winter, okay, if it does, then display the first one that you find and then break. So if I save it, as you can see here, it found the first item on the product title and then it breaks. So it's not gonna continue. All right, so let's go with the second one is the continue. So the continue tag skips the current iteration and jump to the next one in the loop. So it will exclude certain item without breaking the loop entirely. All right, so let's try an example. Is the same example still. So let me just copy it again. Go back to logging the liquid, paste it here. So here we say for collection.product. So if product.available is false, then continue. All right, and then output the product.title. So if I save it, it's gonna print every product.title. This will skip any unavailable product and only output available ones. The next one is the cycle. The cycle tags loop through a set of value repeatedly. It's great for alternating style or layout. All right, so this is the example. As before, to do that, let me show you first how it works. Okay, or you know what, just let me copy this one here. You can do it like this, but before I do that, let me comment this one out and I'm gonna write here cycle. Okay, and we can keep this example like odd and even. So if I save it, it's going to print odd and event. Okay, and as you can see, it printed 1 2 3 4 5 6 because inside this array we have 6 elements. All right, and check this one out. Let's say I want to write here 1 2 3, something like this, and if I save it, as you can see, it's going to be 1 2 3 1 2 3. If I have another one here, let's say 4, so it's going to be 1 2 3 4 for the first one, and then 1 2 to match the number, the length of the array that we have here in this case. And there you go, 1 2 3 4 and then 1 2. Okay, so what is the best use case? I will uncomment this one and I will show you so that you understand perfectly. Here we output the product.title just like we saw earlier, so we have it here, but we say we add this product.title inside the div and we give it a class, and inside the class here we add a cycle here, which means like in every iteration each div going to have a class of a row A and a class of a row B. Okay, so if I save it, nothing different here. So if I go to the developer tool, I go to inspect, and as you can see, if I zoom a little bit, we have class row A, class row B, and etc. Beautiful. So next we will talk about the else. And yes, of course, you can use the else tag in the if statement and also in the case statement and also in the for loop. The else block runs only if the loop doesn't execute. All right. For example, if the collection is empty, it helps to provide a fallback content when there is nothing to loop over. All right, and this is like very straightforward to understand, so you can use this example here. Okay, but we have 6 elements inside this collection, so this one it won't be reading, but just for example's sake, so we can say if this is not true, so we can write an else here just like an if statement, and we can say product not found. It's not gonna show because this is true, is like available, that's why this is not gonna run